I switched from Sublime Text to Visual Studio Code, and the first thing I did was install a keymap. Press Command Shift P to open Command Palette and search for keymaps. Here you can find a bunch of keymaps. While I'm interested in the Sublime Text Keymap, you might be interested in the one from Vim, Atom, or Notepad++. I'm going to install this keymap. So Microsoft has built this Sublime Text Keymap and about 500,000 users are using it. This keymap is actually going to map the keyboard shortcuts in Visual Studio Code in accordance with the keyboard shortcuts I had in Sublime Text. So it is going to make it really fun for me to switch from Sublime Text to Visual Studio Code. So click install and then press reload. You can actually see what this Sublime Text Keymap contributes. It contributes a lot of keyboard shortcuts, which you already have built a muscle memory for while using Sublime Text. So right off the bat, after installing Sublime Text Keymap, I was quite productive in Visual Studio Code after switching from Sublime Text.